Welcome to LoomCare. LoomCare is your family's all-in-one, AI-powered mobile app designed to help you coordinate caregiving, medication, appointments, and communication, all in one place. Let's start by building your care circle, a secure space where family, friends, and professional caregivers can collaborate. Assign roles, set access levels, and make sure everyone is on the same page. You can chat with your circle members by clicking here. You can create a new circle by clicking here. Invite members to your circle from here. Here you can find member details, and also you can communicate with the member directly. With the shared calendar feature, everyone in your care circle can coordinate appointments, errands, and care tasks. You can add event to your calendar from here. Finally, press Add Event. See, the event added successfully. No more missed visits or double-booked days. Use Care Chat to send updates, ask questions, and document care activities in real time, right inside the app. Upload documents, share photos, and audio messages. With daily wellness check-ins, you can stay connected to your loved one's emotional and physical well-being, even from a distance. Simple check-ins help track mood, activity, and overall health, and give your care circle peace of mind every day. Managing medications can be stressful, but LoomCare makes it easier than ever. Get real-time alerts and confirmations to ensure no medicine is ever missed, whether it's once a day or multiple times. From setting up new prescriptions to tracking what's taken, we help you stay on top of it all. With LoomCare, medication management becomes simple, reliable, and worry-free. You can schedule every dose for your loved one with just a few taps. Meet Louise, your AI-powered assistant. She helps you track trends, explain care details, translate insurance bills, and answer common questions 24/7. Generate detailed weekly, monthly, or quarterly care reports to share with doctors, family members, or legal professionals, all with one tap. Stay on top of caregiving costs and monthly bills with our financial management feature. Track expenses, monitor insurance claims, car payments, and keep everything in one place. Store critical documents securely in the document vault, accessible anytime, anywhere by those you trust. Let LoomCare connect you to your preferred care services, such as telehealth providers, home care agencies, pharmacy delivery services, and more for a seamless experience. Your loved one's data is personal. We keep it safe with high PA compliance, encryption, secure storage, and full privacy controls because your family's trust means everything. LoomCare brings everything together into one easy-to-use app, so your family can provide care with confidence, clarity, and compassion. Join the waitlist to be among the first to experience modern family caregiving reimagined.